Hello, welcome to ShirtSpace, the shirt place. As hard as we try to give every customer exactly what they're after, sometimes the colors of shirts in your order look different than you expected. We get it. Cracking the color code is never easy. There are a few reasons why picking the right color can be so difficult, and though we may not be able to solve every color issue, we are here to help. But first, let's back up a bit. You're on your favorite blank apparel website, ShirtSpace, of course, when you come across the perfect color t-shirt to complement your latest design. Done. Right? Wrong. Remember the shirt's color was different than you expected? There are a few reasons for this. Let's first start with variations in technology. Monitor type and calibration is the most obvious. Most of us don't work in a profession that requires a highly calibrated, high-resolution monitor, so colors look different across most monitors. Adding to the confusion, the same product in the same color can even look different between a computer and a mobile device. Finally, your settings can contribute to color variations. Do you operate in night mode? If so, color tones tend to look warmer, often with an orange tint. Now, before you take drastic measures, let's talk anatomy. The issue's not so black and white. In the same way everybody has different color eyes, everybody's eyes see color differently. They have even done studies that show women tend to see the world in warmer colors than men. But we're not optometrists here, so let's move on. Here at ShirtSpace, we carry hundreds of brands who all have their own ideas for what color names should be. One brand's sky blue might be,
"Hey Jeremy, I really like your powder blue shirt."
Alright, let's agree to disagree. Now that we've discussed some of the perception and technical issues, let's figure out how to find the right color for your next product. Colors can often look identical across brands. Take Sage here. Same name, same color, different brands. Can't tell the difference? Me neither. These oranges almost look identical too. But that's not always the case. Take Kelly Green here. They all look different. Just because the name is consistent across brands doesn't mean the color looks consistent across brands. But hold on. All of the colors that we've been looking at so far have just been 100% cotton solid color tees. None of those were any blended colors. Here comes the curveball. Colors change slightly whenever a synthetic fabric is combined with cotton. Check out this heather red. I'd say it's pretty light compared to a solid. That's because it's blended with polyester. Oh, and this autumn color, both the heather and the solid. Tri-blends can be even lighter than heathers because instead of just one synthetic fabric, they blend two, plus cotton, of course. This red tri-blend almost looks hot pink to me. A rule of thumb is that anytime you mix polyester with a cotton blend, things are going to lighten up. Blends are just one of many construction methods, but that doesn't mean you can't get darker colors from synthetics. Here's a deep scarlet red on this 100% polyester shirt. But we just told you synthetics tend to lighten things up. Well, 100% polyester uses a completely different dyeing process than a shirt with cotton. They use dispersed dyes, which literally have to be boiled into the synthetic fibers, and in turn can produce deep, rich colors. Cotton, on the other hand, uses a reactive dye. This plays a big role in why there can be differences in color between these two types of fabric. Overwhelmed yet? Yeah, we get it. That's why we've created some resources to help you find that just right color. We've created color guides for 3 of our top-selling brands that explore the most popular colors and styles to help you discover which color suits you best. The link to download is free and can be found in the video description below. And if you're interested in reading more, we even wrote a blog, which you can check out, which also includes the resources that we're talking about. You can also look for those links in the video description below. We understand just how hard it can be to find colors in the right hue that will complement your design. So we hope that the video and these resources that we've made for you will help you crack the color code. And hey, next time you're in the market for some blank apparel, such as t-shirts, sweatshirts, hats, bags, and more, be sure to check out ShirtSpace.com for an unmatched selection and customer service experience to help you find the right color for you. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.